Hey guys, thank you for taking my call earlier today, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy over there in Connecticut. I just wanted to break down some tips and tricks for you and how to increase your online presence and how to just become more relevant online overall, right? Now you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And if I'm completely honest with you, owners of restoration companies are just way too busy, running their business from day to day to really, I guess, grasp the fact that, the internet can bring them even more of this business, especially with a beautiful website like the one that you guys have here, which we're going to talk about. But I'm just going to break down three things, okay? So I'm going to break down content, we're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations, okay? Now, as I was just, kind of going around your website, again, you have an amazing website. It's, whoever made it really took the time, to pay attention to detail. Seeing this here really builds trust with potential customers, and I really appreciated it. I love the red and black theme. It goes really, really well. Unfortunately, Google cares more about content or the words on your page than anything else. You know what I mean? So if I go on ahead and copy all of your words here, and I put them, well, that went away. Let's try that one more time. All right, I'm going to grab all the words on your page. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There it is. And then I copy, and then I put it on my word counter over here. We're going to see where you're at, okay? So it looks like you're at 1,210 words. That's actually not bad. That's actually one of the higher word counts that I've seen in a long time. Google counts a really authoritative website to have at least 1,500 keywords on the homepage. So if you just wanted to eclipse that 1,500 word mark, you'd be considered an authority on Google, okay? Now, if you wanted to add like relevant keywords, like I'm using. I used New Haven as a keyword for you guys, simply because there's more of a search volume. Obviously, it's like a bigger town. So with that, I did see, even though I used New Haven and not the town where you guys are based out of, you guys were like number 5 or 6 or something like that. See right there, which is great. I mean, you guys are doing amazing in New Haven. So secondly, what I'm going to talk to you about today are backlinks. Okay, now a backlink is just basically the number of times a website is linking to you. Okay, so according to here, right, my tool Ahrefs just kind of it kind of peels back the curtain and kind of shows me what's going on in the background. Okay, and now you can use any tool out there. Obviously, this is a paid tool, but if you just Google like backlink checker for free on Google, I mean, you could see what I'm seeing here, okay? And they even Ahrefs actually offers a one where you could do like 3 searches a day or something like that, so you could see what I'm seeing, okay? Now, according to my tool, you have 52 websites, these referring domains. It just means that there's 52 websites that are linking to you, that are pushing traffic to you, okay? Now, they're doing so 364 times, okay? Now, it shows here that you have 24 organic keywords, or just keywords in general. And on average, right, this is just a monthly volume. And again, this is just a tool. It could be, a little more, a little less. It shows that you have roughly 2 people visiting your website per month. Okay, only you would know how accurate that is. Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing to your top competitors in New Haven, okay? According to this, they have 276 websites linking to them, and they're doing so 521 times, okay? They have 26 keywords, and they have one of those ranking number 1. And they have roughly on average, right, monthly volume here, 96 people visiting their website per month, okay? Now, the good thing about this is that this tool, or any tool you use, right, allows you to kind of see where they're getting their traffic from, right? So who's pushing traffic to them where? As you can see here, they're getting them from the Chamber of Commerce. That's a good one. Easy Local, that's another good one. Let's see. So Google is a popularity contest, okay? So they want to see other websites that are relevant to what you do pushing traffic to you, okay? It builds trust from Google. It shows that, yes, these guys are actually a restoration company. So if you wanted to kind of see what's in here in your competitors' backlinks here, and see where they're getting their traffic from and which ones are the best, okay? So the ones here with the do follow links are probably the best ones to go with, okay? So and when I say that they need to be relevant, since Google is a popularity contest, I mean, Google knows that you're not a Wendy's or a Pizza Hut or a restaurant or just in general, right? So they want to see other websites that are like, restoration forums or restoration blogs, or even just other restoration companies that are allowing you to use their website to get traffic from them. That builds trust with Google, okay? Now, lastly, what I'm going to talk to you about today, and probably the most important, is citations, okay? Now, citations are just anywhere that your business could be found in a directory, okay? Now, if you're not sure what a directory is, it's super easy. It's like Yellow Pages, White Pages. You've got Home Advisor, Yelp, excuse me. What's another one? Angie's List, just off the top of my head. Okay. Now those are just simple lists of directories, but as you can see on there, they also had Chamber of Commerce. If you had your business in the Chamber of Commerce, that would also count as a citation. Okay. Now that's how you get up here in this Google Map Pack. And if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? Which is why I said that this is probably the most important. So I don't know if you're like me, but I typically don't go down here to the second or third page of Google to find what I'm looking for. Okay. And you're probably saying, well, of course, we're not going to be ranking in New Haven because we're not from New Haven. Then again, this is where most of the keyword, this is where they mostly populate, right? Like in bigger cities. And the good thing about the citations is that they go out at like 20 miles from your location, okay? So if you were, in the northern part of New Haven or even in the central here, you could still take this #1 spot no matter where you are. Well, which is great, you know what I mean? That would increase your call volume. That would increase your potential, customers, right? The potential customers that you'd be able to close and things like that. So, just to kind of recap, okay? So the first thing is content, right? Obviously, you already eclipsed that 1,000 word mark. If you wanted to just add, a few more hundred words on there with relevant keywords, like this one that I used, Restoration Company New Haven, for example. The Restoration Company, New Haven, Connecticut trusts. Like, that's a perfect sentence to put on your website. You know what I mean? And then, secondly, just going in here and seeing where your competition is getting their backlinks, right? So that you can get all that traffic. And then lastly, is the citations, right? So again, if you just wanted to put, so let's just say that these guys here, right, have anywhere between 100 and 150 different citations, right? Then I would want to one-up them to like 200, 300, just to ensure that you're constantly taking this #1 spot, okay? Now, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So you have two options. So the first option is obviously to do all this yourself. I mean, I've seen great results from, other business owners utilizing this information. And secondly, if you're like, some of my other clients that are like, what, Jesus, I like you, I want to give it a shot. I obviously, I want to do this, but, I just don't have the time, and I completely get it. You could definitely, reach out to me, ask for some advice or anything, and I'd be more than happy to help you, okay? Again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.